Yeah. The people, they won't leave. What is threatening about divesting and want a piece? The problem isn't the protests, it's what they're protesting. It goes against what our country is funding. Block the barricade until Palestine is free. Block the barricade until Palestine is free. When I was 7, I learned a lesson from Cuban Eazy-E. What was it again? Oh yeah, fuck the police. Actors and badges protecting property in a system that was designed by white supremacy. But the people are in the streets. You can pay off Meta, you can't pay off me.
Selektibitate garaiak batzuentzat, baina mundu zabalak ez du barkatzen, eta igandeko hauteskunde europear horien azken txanpan lerroburuetatik ez du ihes egiteko asmorik Israelek, eta Nazio Batuen erakundaren babespean dagoen eskola bat eraso